Introducing Swing, the first radio fire detection system that combines mesh technology for safe wireless transmission with Siemens' unique ASA technology for high detection reliability. The mesh technology takes wireless network and communication reliability to the max. Because all wireless devices communicate with their neighbors, two redundant paths are always available to transmit information to the gateway. Swing can easily be integrated into an existing fire protection system from Siemens. A transmission distance of 30 meters is possible between two wireless devices. An installation with one gateway can have a diameter of 180 meters, spanning up to 5 floors. Swing is ideal for applications where cabling is not suitable due to structural or aesthetic reasons. The Swing detector with the unique ASA technology provides highest detection reliability for any application. The detector has a redundant sensor system with 2 optical and 2 heat sensors. ASA technology evaluates the signals in real time and dynamically adapts the selected parameter set. Thus, the detector is immune to deceptive phenomena such as dust or steam. Let's sum up the benefits Swing holds for you. You get maximum availability, safety, and flexibility. Or in short, Swing, being safe, feeling free.